Hi, this is Megan with Eurton Electric, and welcome to the world of electric motor repair and rewinding. Today we are going to rebuild and rewind an electric power unit for a commercial bucket truck motor. Here at Eurton Electric, we rebuild and rewind all types of motors and generators for the utility trucking industry, including bucket trucks, generators, auxiliary power units, lift motors, crane and hoist motors, and more. So we're gonna go get started. Here we have an All-Tech bucket truck power unit motor that has come to us for rebuilding. And as you can see, it's in pretty bad shape. So let's get this thing apart and see what's inside. As you can see, the motor has been in the field a while and has lots of rust and corrosion. The armature will need to be rewound, and it will need new motor brushes and bearings as well. Next step will be to rewind the armature and get new bearings and motor brushes. Here, the armature windings have been stripped and new insulation has been installed. The armature can now be rewound. After that, the armature windings will need to be connected to the commutator. Then they will be varnished, baked, remachined, turned, undercut, balanced, and receive new bearings. Then it's ready to be reinstalled in the motor for testing and final approval. Here, the motor has been fully rewound. New bearings and brushes have been installed. The motor has been tested, cleaned, and painted, and is ready to return back to the customer. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, I'm Megan with Eurton Electric, signing out.